Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. We were talking about the facility planning. In this video, you will learn the primary focus areas on the facility planning. We have always observed that facility planning has the huge long list. All the factors are not considered. In this video, I'm going to consider, or I'm going to talk on the major factors which will solve all your problems. Before getting into it, I'm Shailesh Fursunge, father of a Superboy, hotel since 1988, Taj Wetton, Amazon #1 best-selling author, Stuart transformed into a managing director, founder of Mellon Hospitality Private Limited. Point number 1, furniture, fixtures and equipments. Point number 2, operating O&D, operating equipments, very important. Point number 3, HVAC, heat, ventilation and air conditioning. FLS, fire, life and safety. Point number 4, guest and staff security systems or planning. Food and beverage production and service planning, their facilities, the storage provisions, their workflow and all those things are very, very important. The connectivity, the staff flow, the food supply from the gangways, all those things has to be considered very, very minutely. Satisfactory standard of hygiene has to be not ignored. Your signages across the property, appropriate places should have appropriate signages. Cleanliness and appealing ambience. When you're planning, your maintenance should be kept low. You should not plan things which will give you high maintenance cost after the hotel is operational. Periodic repair and maintenance of the property. Ensure that you are having AMCs done for the equipments and machineries which require the routine maintenance. This is where most of the hotels lack. The waste management system, the cleaning processes, very, very important. Periodic repair and maintenance of the property, the checklist, the to-do list has to be there. This has to be done by the chief engineer of the property. IT and surveillance, very, very important. While planning your property, your IT and surveillance should be completely resolved. This will be done by the professionals who are into the IT and surveillance projects, or who are IT and surveillance consultants. Let us talk about the right space utilization processes, very, very important, and their policies. Guest traffic control. The most of the hotels are planned in such a way that everything lands on the lobby, which is not right. If you have multiple banquet halls, you have back-to-back parties. If your hotel is filled with guests, the lobby is always claustrophobic, then your room guests will feel uncomfortable. When you're planning your hotel, if you have banqueting, a large banqueting, then ensure that the entry and exit gates are separately designed than your lobby. It will solve half of your problem. Health and safety in the workplace, very important. Staff cafeterias, lockers, washrooms, shower rooms, bunkers, staff recreational activities room. Then we talk about, last but not the least, rainwater harvesting, your STP and WTP planning. These are the major areas, primary focus areas where we should focus on planning your facility. With this, I'm winding up my video. If you like my video, say like, subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon. Take advantage of the micro videos on my YouTube channel. I'm sure you will learn a lot. Like and share all the videos. Let us learn together. I'll catch you soon with my other video. Till then, God bless you. Bye.